Tusige unit the Shech. Unit the Shech. This unit deals with how to ask about someone's children and give details about your own family. As usual, when the question begins with avail, the answer is either ha, for yes, ha, or chanel, for no, chanel. Eistef. Listen to the following survey.
Avail clownmakov. Ha. Avail clownmakov.
Chanel.
Avail clownmakov.
Chanel haast.
Avail clownmakov.
Ha. Avail clownmakov. Avail clownmakov.
Ha. Avail clownmakov.
Chanel hast. Not yet. Chanel hast. Answer for yourself. Avail clownmakov.
Avail clownmakov. Ha. Avail clownmakov.
Chanel.
Avail clownmakov.
Chanel haast.
Avail clownmakov.
Ha.
You may wish to be more specific and say that you have a daughter or a son, or both. We'll look at larger families later.
We've met the words for daughter and son before. Daughter is nien, nien, and son is mach, mach. Listen here for ha mach akem, I have a son, and ha mach aking, we have a son. Ha mach aking, aking, aking. Ha mach aking.
Avail clownmakov.
Ha. Ha mach aking agus ha nien aking.
Avail clownmakov.
Chanel.
Avail clownmakov.
Chanel haast.
Avail clownmakov.
Ha. Ha mach aking. Ha e furach awning lasachu.
Ha e furig aan een glasachu. He lives in Glasgow. She lives in Glasgow would be ha I e furig aan een glasachu. We'll come back to he and she again.
As well as sons and daughters, you'll also hear people talking about their girls and boys. Girl is the same as daughter, nien. But the word for boy is ballach. Ballach. Ha nien aking, agus ha ballach aking.
Voorak, ha ballach akin. Ha ballach akin. Ha ballach pik akin.
Avail clownmakov, Mrs. Hamilton.
Ha. Ha nien aking. Nien vik. Ha e gintag.
Balach big, a little boy. But nien Vic.
All things are either feminine or masculine in Gaelic. And if a describing word like bic follows a feminine noun like nien, it changes a little. We'll meet plenty of examples along the way. Ballach bic, a wee boy, but nien Vic, a wee girl.
Voorak, ha ballach akin. Ha ballach akin. Ha ballach pik akin.
Avail clownmakov, Mrs. Hamilton.
Ha. Ha nien aking. Nien vik. Ha e gintag.
What if you want to say that your child is in school? You'll need the term eins in school, in school. Eins in school. You can put a name in. Ha Callum eins in school. Callum is in school. Or you can talk about he and she. he is in school is ha eins yn ysgol. She is in school is ha eins yn ysgol. And they is iat. Ha iat eins yn ysgol.
Give the following in Gaelic. Callum is in school. Ha Callum eins yn ysgol. Ha Callum eins yn ysgol.
He is in school. Ha eins yn ysgol. Ha eins yn ysgol.
She is in school. Ha eins yn ysgol. Ha eins yn ysgol.
They are in school. Ha iat eins yn ysgol.
What if you have a large family? It's best at this stage not to try and say how many boys or girls you have. Just keep to the total number.
We've already met the numbers 1 to 10. You'll remember that 2, 3 and 4 were ga, 3 and ceher. If you are talking about people, though, the numbers change to diis, trúr and cerer.
A bhfuil clán agah.
Ha díis.
A bhfuil clán agah.
Chanel.
A bhfuil clán agah.
Ha trúr.
A bhfuil clán agah.
Ha cedar.
Cedar.
2, when describing people, is diis. Diis. Diis.
3 is trúr. Trúr. Trúr.
And 4, cerer. 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 You'll be asked whether you have children. Say yes. 2.
A bhfuil clown agah.
Ha díis. Ha díis.
A bhfuil clown agah. Say yes. 3.
Ha trúr. Ha trúr.
A bhfuil clown agah. Say yes. 4.
Ha cerer. Ha cerer. In the following situation, look out for diis and for grisaf irydd. Hurry up. Grisaf irydd.
Cymar a hashiv.
Ha gyma ta believe.
Hai bria anju.
Ha.
A bhfuil clán agah.
Ha díis. Sianiad. Y chalym, y chatrianne, grisaf eref.